Derry! His car window broke on the way to flying drones this morning, so we're now at the garage. Here he comes. Oh, sorted!
Yeah.
Yeah, they're going to fix it.
Well, what they do is repair or stop the car from window from opening.
Yeah.
Put a bar in to close it.
Yeah.
Order the parts,
order
and
the
then
parts,
let me know.
Right.
So I said, "Oh, you're very kind." She said, "Well, you're a good customer." She said, "And this is the third one this week."
What? Third time your window's gone?
Oh, thank goodness for that.
Yeah. Right. Where are we going?
I don't know.
Should have closed my bag when I landed. Full of sand. Next, you got to do it in sport mode.
Yeah, I will do. I'm scared. Excellent. That's great. I went, did you see what I did all the way around there?
Good landing.
That was perfect.
That was good. I got some good shots, I think. Yeah. A cockerel at McDonald's. Well, I'll be damned. Only in Spain. Where are you going? What are we doing here? Crazy.